In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Jira ticket work item. We'll walk through the full process of creating a new work item in Jira in a simple, clear way so you can enter the right information and make sure your ticket is ready for your team to use. To begin, open your Jira project or board and look for the Create button. Click Create to open the new issue or work item form. This is where you'll enter all of the details for the ticket. If you're working from a backlog or board view, this option is usually easy to find near the top of the screen. Once the form appears, the next thing to do is select the work type. This is important because the work type defines what kind of item you're creating. Depending on your Jira setup, this could represent a task, bug, story, or another work category used by your team. Choose the option that best matches the work you need to track. After that, select the status for the work item. The status helps show where the item is in the workflow. For example, your team may use statuses that indicate whether work is new, in progress, or waiting for a review. Selecting the right status helps everyone understand the current state of the ticket from the moment it is created. Next, type the summary. The summary should be short but specific. Think of it as the title of the ticket. A clear summary makes it easier for others to scan the backlog and quickly understand what the work item is about without opening it. Then enter the description. This is where you add the full details of the task. Include the context, requirements, or any notes needed to explain the work clearly. A strong description reduces confusion later and helps the assignee or team member understand exactly what needs to be done. Once that's complete, fill in the other details on the form. These fields can vary depending on how your Jira project is configured, but they may include things like priority, assignee, labels, due dates, or other project-specific information. Take a moment to review these carefully, since complete and accurate details make the ticket much more useful for planning and tracking. When everything looks good, click Create to submit the work item. Jira will then generate the ticket and add it to your project so your team can begin working with it. And that's how to create a Jira ticket work item. If you want smoother project tracking, always aim for clear summaries, detailed descriptions, and complete supporting information before you create the ticket.